3 ways handwriting helps creativity. Cursive letter K. Cursive writing for beginners, lesson 13. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna B, and in this video I'm going to talk about the 3 benefits of handwriting to help you increase your creativity. Alright, let's get started with today's video. The first way that handwriting helps creativity is that it helps stimulate an increased activity in the brain, which is similar to how meditation stimulates brain activity. Studies have shown that mindfulness from meditation helps boost creativity on top of the common benefits such as stress reduction. Similarly, handwriting can activate and unleash that creativity. For me, I add this into my daily routine through nightly journaling. The second way that handwriting helps creativity is that it can help you learn. Handwriting can activate large regions of the brain that is responsible for thinking, language, healing, and working memory. Every artist knows that there's a lot of learning involved if you want to improve your skills. We can use all the help that we can get in order to make that learning experience a little bit easier. The third way that handwriting helps creativity is that it increases mindfulness. Just like many art forms, the act of handwriting can force you to slow down and be present in the moment. Being mindful can help relieve stress and reconnect you to your own creativity, especially if you felt stuck in creating a new piece of art. Alright, so those are the 3 ways that handwriting can help increase creativity. If you like some extra handwriting practice, you can write along the letter K poem with me. The letter K. The letter K is kindred. Killing you with kindness. K knows when your heart is in a knot. And will kiss your wounds. A kind-hearted keeper. Both knowledgeable and a knockout. K has a keepsake of a kaleidoscope of keys. Knitting and kneading. Until the right key unties that knot. And your heart flies free as high as a kite. When Kay was a kid, someone kidnapped and kicked. The kindness away. Until one day, Kay knelt onto her knees and surrendered. It was not a night that saved Kay, but a knowing, a kindred spirit. Kindly kissing the tears away.